Make sure to locate the document-based question in the link before we start. Share this with your friends, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and put your DBQ responses in the comments. You all can grade each other, and I'll grade the ones I can. Join my classes as we prepare for the AP World History and AP European History tests. Understand the prompt to begin with. The question asks you to evaluate how much foreign involvement contributed to the fall of the Qing Dynasty. Next step is to quickly summarize documents. Document 1, local rebellion in China, no direct mention of foreigners. Document 2, British opium trade impacts China negatively. Document 3, foreign legal privileges in China, challenging local laws. Document 4, internal economic and social issues in China. Document 5, Chinese looking to modernize and remove foreign influence. Document 6, cartoon depicting China's decline due to foreign pressures. Document 7, Qing Dynasty ends, hinting at internal choice rather than foreign pressure. Analyze key documents. Pick at least 3 documents to discuss in detail, considering the author's viewpoint, the document's purpose, and its historical context. Document 2, Karl Marx. Marx's perspective as a European political economist might emphasize the impact of European actions on China. Document 3, Qing, China's Foreign Office, reflects the Qing government's viewpoint on the limitations and challenges of foreign presence in China. Document 5, Chinese Alliance Association, shows the aspirations of Chinese nationalists abroad, highlighting the desire for self-determination and modernization influenced by foreign ideas. Develop a clear thesis. Make a statement that answers the prompt, acknowledging the role of foreign involvement, while also considering internal factors that contributed to the dynasty's collapse. Build your essay. Use evidence from at least 6 documents to support your thesis. Include at least 1 additional historical fact not mentioned in the documents to strengthen your argument. Explain how each piece of evidence backs your thesis, and focus on the required analysis of documents' perspectives and purposes. Conclusion. Sum up your argument, emphasizing how the evidence you've provided supports your thesis. Review your work. If you have time, go back and make sure your essay is clear and addresses all parts of the prompt. Right now, make sure your essay satisfies all aspects of the rubric. Label them. Then submit in the comments, share to get your friends involved, like the video, and subscribe to join my class as we move towards the AP World History and AP European History tests.